The Chainlink Runtime Environment simplifies how you coordinate multiple chains, multiple Oracle networks, together with multiple off-chain systems for data, identity, payments, and various other key resources like AI computations. Basically, throughout history, every time a new set of technologies like databases and communication protocols and mainframes appeared, you needed a new way to coordinate all of those technologies into an application. That's what the CRE does. In the past, the technologies that have done this successfully was COBOL in the 1970s, where you basically were starting to coordinate the early mainframes and the early computing technologies that created the basis of ATM transactions and core banking with tellers inside of banks using computers. Then in the 90s, you had the Java Runtime Environment, the JRE appear, and the JRE coordinated all of the different activities in the web world for the banking sector. Basically, all the new database technologies, the new internet protocols, the new programming languages. A large majority share of those initially were starting to getting coordinated on the JRE, and it's still powering a huge amount of the financial system today. The blockchain world is a similar emergence of new technologies for trust, transactions, financial relationships, where you have blockchains, you have smart contracts, you have various protocols to interact with the contract and blockchains. And this complexity also needs to be managed in a single environment, in a single computing environment. This is what the CRE does. It basically gives you a place to run a single piece of workflow code that coordinates all of the different blockchains, all of the different smart contracts, all of the different off-chain APIs and data sources, and existing payment systems like SWIFT and others to properly interact to build a robust, advanced smart contract. And to do that not in months, not in weeks, but in days and eventually hours, so that the way that developers and engineers are able to build in the financial system and in the Web 2 world is that they can quickly build a highly coordinated advanced application through a single piece of code coordinating all those different resources. That's really the job of the CRE, and I think it'll both accelerate the adoption and usage of various Chainlink services for data, identity, connectivity, and others, but importantly, it'll make those services very easy and quick to compose into very advanced applications, which should massively accelerate the speed and also eventually the quality of those applications, essentially accelerating the entire industry forward.